lovelies and Freds. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is talking about Donna. He's talking about Tommy Faye. And he's saying that whatever he did, basically, he did from his own free will. Marcia and Tina Chin wasn't a part of it. And they had no knowledge of what he is or was doing. Also, he was listening to a video of Tina Chin when Tina was speaking about, basically allegedly hearing that Tommy Faye was going to report her to the immigration in England. And she said out of her mouth as well that she had no knowledge of what Dwayne was doing. She heard after that he had reported Donna. And so it's a whole lot of things. Dwayne said that Tommy Faye, he has something coming for her, basically in the pipelines as well. So, guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video and hear what he has to say, hear what Tina has to say. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you already know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you prosperity and all that your heart desires for this year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my family, whoever you may call me, do have yourselves a wonderful Saturday. And guys, remember, man, life, we only have one. So we have to live it up in the way that we feel is best for us to live it. No watch no face. No watch you end a man was say. We have to do what we have to do, and we have to love each other as well. Remember, each and every day that we get up, we are growing from one little plant to a bigger one, right? And we grow each day. We grow as we go. And we learn new things as we go on life's journey. But we have the one life. Let us live it in a way that is pleasing to not only us, but to God. And let us live our lives in a way that people can take a page out of our book and want to live their lives the way we live ours. So, guys, have yourselves today a wonderful day. And remember, live your life, a feel, just the way you want it to be lived. Have a great one now.
Out the way. Um, Here we go. Scotland Yard, not Scotland Yard, Scotland Yard, Scott, like the name Scott, Scotland Yard. All right, so here we go now. Fast forward. Dwayne, I guess, trending drama, I guess, decided to report Donegal to Scotland Yard.
I did.
Again, I have no knowledge of that. I'm over here minding my business. I don't know anything of that business that's going on. Yesterday, when I was in Home Depot, I heard that Tommy Faye, who is the voice of Donegal, she's the person who's always on her live coaching Donegal. Tommy Faye, her name is Tommy Faye, but I'm calling her Tommy Faye because she looks like a ugly stud. All right. Tommy Faye has a private group, right? And in that private group, Tommy Faye and some other numbskulls got together and decided that they were going to report me to UK immigration, right? They decided, she and her friends over there in that little group came to the decision that they're going to report me to UK immigration because I came there the other day and made her uneasy. I don't know what it was about my visit to the UK last month in January, but it made her very uncomfortable and she didn't like it. And I don't know. I'm not in her brain. I didn't go over there for pleasure. I went over there for business. And as you guys know, I am a U.S. citizen. But Tommy Faye said she's going to report me because I don't know her reasons for saying that, but she said she's going to report me to immigration official.
Stick up in there, sir. Someone did tell me that Tammy Faye threatened me too. I don't know to the depth of how the threats go. Maybe they're saying that they're gonna report me to DWP. But Tammy Faye, let me tell you something. You have my full name. If you feel if tell her if you feel froggy, if you feel froggy, leap. Do what you gotta do. Just know I don't care. And shit, I know for a fact I'm not doing nothing illegal. So if that is what the threat is about, or if you want to call Popo, go call him. Anything you want to do it. This a boy where so him no fear you nor them. And trust me, nothing not come out there. Nothing at all. Nothing at all not come out there. You hear me? Not one backside. At this point, you're gonna waste that. You're not gonna waste the energy. But still, nonetheless, I will encourage you, go right ahead. Don't stop on my accord. Cause me not stop. Hello, I am not stopping. Me not stop. Ain't no stopping over here, so. So if the fee set on the fret, I go touch nerve over here, so. Lies it out. In fact, it got in one, out the other. You hear me? It went in one ear and right out the other. So that's all I gotta say to you. However, I got a surprise for you, Tam Tam. Wait, it's coming. Waity. It's coming. It's damn coming. Wait. I soon tell you. Come back, Tina Ching, come back.
So that I cannot come there anymore. What triggered her to do that? Well, I didn't know why she said that because, again, I don't know Tommy Faye personally. I've never gotten into it with Tommy Faye. Me and her currently have no beef. However, in this group yesterday or 2 days ago, I don't know whenever she did it, she got up and told the people in that group to report me to immigration officials, and she's going to do it too because I'm a part of Dwayne's team.
You're there.
I'm a part of Trending Drama's team.
You're there.
So it's report for report. And if I report Donna Gao, she's gonna report me. That's what she mentioned, quote unquote, right? Right? I don't know. She said a whole bunch of other things too that I don't know. But basically, her plan is to report me to immigration officials. Now, I wasn't aware that there was a side.
Oh God.
Right? I wasn't aware that I was on a side, first and foremost. Let me put that out there. I was not aware that I was on a side. Number two, I have nothing to do with Dwayne reporting Donna Gao to Scotland Yard. Dwayne is his own grown man.
That right? Part.
Dwayne apparently donated to her on numerous occasions.
And I had all rights to report.
Now, just not picking up for Dwayne or anything like that, but I'm saying if somebody wants to report Donna Gao and if they donated to her and they feel like for some weird reason they were taken for a ride, they're within their right to do that.
That part.
Right? And I don't think anybody should be involved in that or try to stop them from doing that.
On the air, imagine I gave my money willingly, right, to these people on good faith. And now I know that the monies I gave, lies was told to me to collect money. And I can prove these things. Now Miss Sam said, okay, I'm going to report you. I reported what I did. And here comes the goons. Here come the damn Confederates. Who at no point in the past, Miss Shaw said not one of them gave a dime, not one of them. But here they are, threatening me, doing the most to me, because I felt the need to report somebody I felt took my money through deceiving tactics. Oh, there's something wrong with that. Did I report them? I didn't get report. Did I report Porty? Did I give Porty the money? No. I don't care about it. I don't care about the 13. The 13 million. The 13 million Porty thief. I don't care. Come never give her $1. I did not give her $1. So I don't care. I don't. Why is Porty harassing me? And I harass her, my mother. I talk, oh, say boy, what that information here? Wanna do enough to do? Hello? My mother is good. I'm 38, going to 39. You hear me, Port? Your threats means nothing to me, my girl. Nothing. And trust me, it means nothing to my mother either. My mother's not out here relying on social media money to make a buck 2 or 3 like you and stagnant, Donna. Hello? Hello? My mother she has several pensions to look forward to. Several. Not one. Several. She have 3 O's. Two of England, one of Jamaica. Hello? She drive a 30 plus thousand pound car. Hello? It wasn't used. It wasn't stolen money or social media money that bought any of those things. A matter of hard work, resilience, tenacity, and sheer determination that allowed her to accumulate all of that assets. Hello? What make Una feel like Una threaten her will have any weight over yourself? It don't. You're a fool. Putty, you're a fool. That dirty boy over there, come at Jamaica if you're bad. Oh, Jamaica feel. Afidana, I didn't know. If I did not, I would have mind my P's and Q's. If I had known Jamaica belonged to Donna, I would have mind the things I said about her. I would have a long time ago. I would have been fall in line. I would have been fall in line. Do you hear me, buzz girl, Donna son? You hear me, buzz girl? I would have been fall in line a long time ago. But no, I know it doesn't belong to her. So me I got chat. Me I got damn chat. Keep threatening. You have no one says, it's a thorn in Donna's back. That one not too bad. That one, you know, that one is a little respectful. I kind of like that one. I don't have nothing against that one. But the rest of them all too threatening me and threatening my family. Hello? Where was any of you when Ashanti was out there exposed down the backside? Hello? I am not Ashanti. I am Dwayne Fletcher. Me not hungry. Me not suffer. I am not homeless. Ashanti was always homeless. He needed that money. He needed it. That's why he flipped on the freaking crusade. He flipped on the damn crusade. Me not flip. I don't want nobody team. I'm by myself. I am alone. I'm a lone wolf out here. A lone damn wolf. A lone soldier. I don't need to be no one's team. It's me, myself, and I. There's no I in team. There's no I in team. It's me, myself, and I alone out here. Me no want jam with nobody. Me no want chat to nobody out tonight. If me want, why the fit me not have calling show? Cause me no want chat. Me no want nobody have access to me. Hello? I know for a fact there's a lot of wicked people on here. A lot of wicked people. Because me and some call of Ashanti. They used to call me, yes, Dwayne, done that boy. I need them so now lizard. I don't want no lizard in my space. I'm good by myself. You hear me? So how do I come fretting me now? Because I'm speaking for my damn money when we get to her on good faith. I know she took deceptively. Go away. They're saying like empty barrel, empty vessels makes the most noise. Empty vessels makes the most noise. Hello? Me not rely upon Donna for $1, 2 or 3. I am not out to relying on the planks or Donna for $1, 2 or 3. I live in a very rich country. I cannot suffer. Do you hear me? I can't suffer. And I'll never be homeless. I am vulnerable. Vulnerable. Look it up. Vulnerable. Bright and a bright. A company, well, I know I look. Company. You won't get my company. But I'm still going to speak out against this damn deceiver. Go away. Don't tell me nothing.
However, Tammy Faye feels like I have some involvement in it.
Right.
And she feels like me and Dwayne are working together.
Yeah, I have something there. That's liberty. That is liberty.
Now, I don't know where she got the story from. I don't know what got into her.
That is liberty.
For her to suddenly get up and do this, I don't know why. I don't know what to say.
Liberty.
I don't know. I don't know. Now, it's sad because this is why this nonsense cannot end. Because you have people like Tommy Faye who have these little groups that, where they
Liberty.
all come together and plot and plan who they're going to attack next, right? That's what they do. Now, granted, I have nothing to do with this bullshit, but Tammy Faye, for some weird reason, she has some personal vendetta against me. I don't know what that is.
Listen, what your name? Avery? They are all in it for the money. That is the difference between me and them. That is the difference between me and all of them. Them say me want to pay YouTube. Hello? YouTube ain't paying you a dime. Back in the day, one time way back when, yes, YouTube paying you £149. DWP them not to fit out. Go away. Go away. Go away. Right? A company una look. And Uno, Donna, Porty, all of you Uno need the money. I don't. Me don't hungry. If they want to give me, then give. If they want to give me, I feel them busy. Me no business. Me not suffer. Me can't suffer. I cannot suffer. Sufferation will never be my portion. Sufferation will never be my portion as long as I continue to be a British citizen. Sufferation will never be my portion. This brain tumor, this stroke, this everything is somewhat of a blessing. Come here, sit up my back and just colic. Go away. A company on a look, company on the company. Not today, not ever. Even if I once stroked some of your egos in the past, it won't happen again. Now I know the truth about you and your scamming tactics. Go away. Don't tell me shit. The flipping audacity.
So she's telling her little minions in that group, her unstable friends in that group, to report me to Scotland Yard, to report me to immigration.
That's liberty.
Now,
That's liberty.
I don't know what to say.
That is liberty.
I really don't know what to say, Tommy Faye.
Let me say, people, if this is true, that's why my caption said alleged. On my thumbnail, it says allegedly because I cannot confirm or deny the facts, whether it is true or untrue. I don't know. But this is what's going on my social media, right? Someone came in my life and said, Dwayne, did you know your time if you check me? I said, well, me tell that two hot word. This go back on one of my lives the other day. Me tell Tommy if you two hot words. I did. Because I don't know. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. However, these people are so flipping calculated, you cannot put nothing past them. You cannot put nothing at all past these people because they are so damn calculated. I'm telling you, them wicked. Right? There's a saying in life, once bitten, twice shy. You know, the other day, I was scrolling on YouTube and I found a video with me like an idiot come on and says, Tammy, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. So why you went to scammer us? Because Judith, you're missing the point. Judith, these things that is coming out now, I did not know then. I did not know then. Judith, bear in mind, Kwame came out here and got a 5-year anniversary. Was it last year sometime? Last year sometime. I went to Donna's house 3 years ago. 3 years ago, my guy house. This Kwame coming out here and exposing himself. It didn't happen then. It did not happen then. It happened later. Right? And you saw, Judith, go and watch her live stream. Go watch it for yourself and watch what you want in the night too. Donna is wicked. All of them are wicked. All of them. Even that damn blind man Perry wicked. All of them wicked. City, all of them are wicked. City, Perry, all of them. Even Saloni, wicked. All of them wicked. I'm not taking it back. I'm not taking it back. I mean, all of them are calculated. This is a damn plot to suck our monies from us. I don't business. Whether you want to take it or not take it, not. I don't care. I am telling you, Donna is calculated. Donna is wicked. Donna came out here, fabricated stories to tell you and I to suck our money from our pockets. And it's just the truth. Whether she did two projects or not, she still deceived us. And that's the point I'm trying to lodge in your heads. But it's not registered for some of you because you're not so damn backward. I don't care. Go away. Come. But, you know, I told a lot of you this on Facebook. A lot of you I told a lot of you on Facebook, a lot of you are unworthy. You are unworthy to be my present in my space. Because it's true. Because on the system I jump one of them back. I don't know, you know. But on the turn a blind eye. Here's what's happening here. On the sit down and come out and tell lie. If you take on the money and take all money. On the turn a blind eye and get like some damn idiot. Go away! Come out my space. What are you doing? What are you doing over here? Go on, man, go on. Go in peace. Go in peace. I beg you, go in peace. I know what I know. Donna knows what I know. And she's a damn wicked woman. And nothing she says or do out here, or come out there and put on a brave face, nothing in our chamber, their mind. Donna, you're a wicked woman. I forgot fucking prison. Let me just be blunt and say if you got prison. You got prison. I wish I could do it alone. Donna, if I can do it alone, I'm going to put you in prison. If I can do it alone. If. Keyword, if. I have, and I won't have no remorse for you. Ask me when I'll tell you. Ask me why and I'll tell you. You deceived a lot of vulnerable people, disabled people, elderly people. Probably some of those people are dead right now. They can't speak for their money. You deceived them for. But I can, because I'm here. Hello? Go away. You're a wicked woman. Wicked.
You know, I really don't know what to say because I had no idea. You know, the funniest thing about it, when I visited, the funny thing about it was, when I visited the UK the other day to do my cake decorating class, right? Tommy Faye was nowhere on my radar. She was nowhere on my radar. Like, you know.
Tina Chin, I think the problem here is because I think you went to Manchester and she resides, if I'm not mistaken, in Manchester. So maybe that's the correlation she's using. If this is true, again, if it is true, I don't know how true it is, but if it is true, this is the correlation she's using. Say, okay, she feels threatened. But let's be quite frank. Tina Chin and Tammy Faye does not have any beef in any shape or form. Nothing. I've never heard Tina Chin come out and curse her. I've never heard Tammy Faye come out and exchange words back to her. So I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know. I just can't. I cannot connect the dots. I just can't. You know? I can't connect the dots. Is it true? Is it not true? I don't know. But there's a conversation being spoken about. So why should I not come out and speak about it too? Whether it's true or true not, I don't care. I'm not going to talk. Tammy Faye, listen, if this is true, Tammy, if this is true, hear me well. I do not have conversation with Tina Chin. You people should know me. I am bold. If me a chat to her, I say hello, me a beat me, come bust me ass, because I don't want any more, come bust me ass.